Forget struggling with manual cable pulls. The Greenlee GX10 Tugger is here to revolutionize your wire pulling game. This beast boasts a mighty 10,000 pounds of pulling force, making light work of even the toughest pulls. Its compact design allows for easy setup in tight spaces, and the digital display gives you precise control and real-time tension feedback. Safety is paramount with its overload protection and emergency stop features. Imagine effortlessly pulling large conductors and cables with speed and precision. This tool isn't just about power, it's about smart power, designed to boost your productivity and reduce strain on the job site. If you're in the electrical or construction field, the Greenlee GX10 Tugger is a must-have for tackling demanding pulling tasks with ease and confidence. Say goodbye to cords and hello to ultimate drilling freedom with the Hilti Neuron DD150U22. This cordless coring system delivers impressive power and performance, rivaling corded counterparts. Part of the innovative Neuron battery platform, it offers extended runtime and optimized battery management. It tackles concrete coring up to 6 inches in diameter with ease. The DD150U22 features smart technology for enhanced safety and control, including torque control and overload protection. Dust and slurry management are made simple with compatible Hilti dust extraction systems. Imagine coring through concrete in even the most remote locations without being tethered to a power outlet. This system is a game changer for professionals who demand power, portability, and precision in their coring applications. Mixing compounds has never been smoother. The Bosch GRW18V 120N cordless mud mixer delivers high torque with variable speed for perfect consistency every time. Its 1-2-inch chuck allows quick paddle changes for a seamless workflow. The ergonomic handle reduces strain, making extended use comfortable. Whether you're mixing drywall, mud, mortar, or paint, this tool keeps splashes under control. The brushless motor ensures long life and high efficiency on every job. And with Bosch's 18-volt battery system, you get reliable power for hours. From concrete contractors to painters, this is a must-have. Now, let's talk about managing dust with our next tool. Breathe easier on the job with the Hilti VCCB 150X, a game-changing dust extraction system. This unit features a continuous bagging system, allowing for dust-free disposal without interrupting work. Its powerful suction tackles even the finest dust particles, keeping your workspace cleaner and safer. The VCCB 150X is designed for demanding job sites, offering robust performance and durability. It's compatible with a wide range of Hilti tools for seamless dust extraction integration. Imagine a job site with minimized dust exposure, improving visibility and protecting your health. This dust extractor is a must-have for professionals prioritizing safety and efficiency. Breathe easier on the job with the Hilti VCCB 150X, a game-changing dust extraction system. This unit features a continuous bagging system, allowing for dust-free disposal without interrupting work. Its powerful suction tackles even the finest dust particles, keeping your workspace cleaner and safer. The VCCB 150X is designed for demanding job sites, offering robust performance and durability. It's compatible with a wide range of Hilti tools for seamless dust extraction integration. Imagine a job site with minimized dust exposure, improving visibility and protecting your health. This dust extractor is a must-have for professionals prioritizing safety and efficiency. Tired of misplaced tools and fasteners? The Makita MacTrack ET9059 keeps everything in order with its compact, low-profile design. Featuring customizable compartments, it adapts to different storage needs. The durable latches ensure secure closure, preventing accidental spills. Its lightweight build makes carrying effortless, even when fully loaded. Stackable compatibility with other MacTrack organizers means you can expand your storage system as needed. Whether you're a pro or a DIYer, staying organized has never been this easy. One tool, countless applications. That's the power of the Makita 40-volt Max XGT oscillating multi-tool. This cordless marvel tackles cutting, sanding, scraping, and more with ease. Powered by Makita's XGT 40-volt Max battery platform, it delivers corded-like power and extended runtime. The StarLock Max interface ensures quick and secure accessory changes. Its variable speed control and soft start provide optimal control for various materials. Anti-vibration technology reduces user fatigue during prolonged use. Imagine having a toolbox of capabilities in a single, cordless tool. The Makita GMT-01Z is a must-have for any professional or DIYer seeking ultimate versatility. Take your sanding to the next level with the Makita 40V Max XGT Belt Sander. This cordless beast delivers the power and performance of a corded belt sander, without the cord. Part of the XGT system, it offers unmatched runtime and robust performance. The 3-inch x 21-inch belt size is ideal for aggressive material removal and fast stock preparation. Its AWS, Auto Start Wireless System, capable for cleaner job sites when paired with compatible dust extractors. Variable speed control allows for optimized sanding on various materials. Imagine tackling large sanding projects with cordless freedom and power. The Makita GSB-01Z is a game-changer for professionals demanding top-tier sanding performance. Turn your Makita Powerhead into a snow-clearing machine with the 12-inch snow shovel attachment. This innovative attachment easily connects to Makita's LXT and XGT powerheads, adding year-round versatility to your tools. The 12-inch blade efficiently clears snow from sidewalks, driveways, and patios. Its lightweight design makes snow removal less strenuous. Powered by your existing Makita batteries, it offers cordless convenience for winter chores. Imagine quickly and easily clearing snow without the hassle of gas or cords. This attachment is a smart investment for Makita Powerhead owners in snowy climates. Say goodbye to messy cable runs with the DeWalt ToughWire Cable Hanger System. This system streamlines cable installation, offering a faster and more organized approach. The innovative hanger design securely supports various cable types, including Romex and low-voltage wires. ToughWire hangers are preloaded for quick and easy application. They reduce cable sag and ensure professional-looking installations. Imagine neat and efficient cable runs that save time and improve job quality. This system is a must-have for electricians and low-voltage installers seeking streamlined cable management. Achieve clean, burr-free cuts in plastic tubing with the DeWalt DCE 180B. This cordless tubing cutter makes quick work of PEX, PVC, CPVC, and other plastic tubing types. Its sharp blade and efficient cutting mechanism ensure smooth, professional results. The DCE 180B is lightweight and compact for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. Powered by DeWalt's 20V Max battery system, it offers cordless convenience and ample runtime. Imagine effortlessly cutting plastic tubing with speed and precision, eliminating manual cutters. This tool is a time saver for plumbers and HVAC technicians. Say goodbye to tedious manual deburring with the DeWalt DCE 710B deburring tool. This 20V Max tool quickly and efficiently removes burrs from copper, steel, and PVC pipes. Its rotating head and durable blades deliver smooth, clean edges. The DCE 710B is compact and ergonomic for comfortable use in various positions. Powered by DeWalt's 20V Max battery system, it offers cordless convenience and portability. Imagine effortlessly deburring pipes, saving time and improving the quality of your connections. This tool is a must-have for plumbers and pipe fitters. Make quick and clean copper tubing cuts with the DeWalt DCE 154B copper tubing cutter. This 20V Max XR tool effortlessly cuts copper pipes up to 1¼ inches in diameter. Its auto-adjusting mechanism ensures consistent, burr-free cuts every time. The DCE 154B is compact and lightweight for easy use in tight spaces. Powered by DeWalt's XR battery system, it delivers extended runtime and reliable performance. Imagine cutting copper tubing with speed and precision, boosting your plumbing efficiency. This tool is a game-changer for plumbers and HVAC professionals. Keep your pool sparkling clean with the cordless Ryobi 18V ONE+ Pool Vacuum. This innovative tool makes pool maintenance a breeze. No cords or hoses needed. Powered by the versatile Ryobi 18V ONE+ battery system, it offers cordless freedom and portability. The PCL 780 efficiently removes leaves, debris, and dirt from your pool floor. Its lightweight design and telescopic pole make maneuvering easy. Imagine effortlessly vacuuming your pool without being tethered to a power outlet or skimmer. This pool vacuum is a must-have for Ryobi One Plus users who want to simplify pool care. Beat the heat with the Ryobi USB Lithium Misting Fan, your personal cooling companion. This compact and portable fan provides refreshing mist and airflow wherever you need it. Powered by a USB rechargeable lithium battery, it's perfect for job sites, workshops, or outdoor activities. The FVF55K features adjustable fan speeds and misting intensity for customized cooling. Its lightweight design and integrated handle make it easy to carry and position. Imagine staying cool and comfortable even in the hottest conditions. This misting fan is a must-have for anyone working in warm environments. See what's going on inside drains and pipes with the Milwaukee M12 75-foot drain camera. This inspection system features a high-resolution camera and a 75-foot cable for reaching deep into drain lines. Its M12 power provides cordless convenience and portability for on-the-go inspections. Packout. Compatibility allows for seamless integration with your Milwaukee storage system. The camera head is designed for maneuverability through bends and traps. Imagine diagnosing drain issues quickly and accurately, saving time and avoiding unnecessary digging. This drain camera is a must-have for plumbers and maintenance professionals. Take your tool organization to the next level with the Klein Tools M-Odd Box Rolling Toolbox. This 2-drawer rolling system is part of the M-Odd Box modular storage system, allowing for customized setups. Its heavy-duty construction and rugged wheels withstand demanding job site conditions. 2 deep drawers provide ample storage for a wide range of tools and accessories. The M-Odd Box system allows for stacking and connecting with other M-Odd Box components. Imagine having a mobile and customizable tool storage solution that keeps everything organized and accessible. This rolling toolbox is a must-have for professionals who demand ultimate organization and portability. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.